So I've just got a Yamaha HTR-5960, very similar to another receiver that I've repaired in the past, and seems to suffer from the same problem, and that is just won't turn on, won't come out of standby. So I'll crack it open and have a look, see if it's plagued by the same issue with the one of the capacitors in the power supply section. Let's have a look. So this one looks very similar to the previous Yamaha that I've repaired with the same symptoms, and what it comes down to is this poly cap here in the power supply. So I think what we'll do is we'll pull it out, stick it in the component tester and see how it measures, and swap it out and see if that fixes everything. We'll probably give it a bit of a clean in here too. So I've just placed the cap in this LCR meter to take a reading. I suspect it's going to be out of spec. We should read 22 nanofarad. Yeah, you can see there that's way out of spec at 5.6. So what we'll do is we'll just put the new cap in and see if that gets it going again. So that's the new part. You can pick it up from most electronic component stores. It seems to be a common part. See how that reads. Yeah, spot on. So we'll put that in and see how we go. Just clean up the holes, take the old solder off with the solder wick. Now they're not polarized, so they can go in any direction. Okay, it should be good to go. So we'll plug it back in and see what happens. Okay, so moment of truth, plug it back in. Awesome, that's it. All the normal sounds. There you go, hopefully that's useful information to someone out there, and yeah, it'd be sad to see this go into hard rubbish. Still plenty of life left in it. So I gave it a bit of a vacuum, bit of a clean, nothing too detailed. I didn't want to disturb too much in there, but certainly looks a little bit better than it did. So yeah, we'll put it back together, and that'll be it. Hopefully it goes back into service and goes on for many more years. Alright, we'll see you next time.